Today is the day. We're kicking off our 5 months to full series with a bang. Like, I was going to wait until my makeup was perfect, my eyebrows was arched, but nope. Today's the day to show up ready to work. See, we're starting with something that's close to my heart and my stomach, preparing the meal of greatness. Just like cooking a great meal, achieving greatness requires the right ingredients, the right recipe, and the right mindset. Today, we're going to prepare our meal of greatness together. Each ingredient of a great meal represents a key aspect of our journey. We've got purpose, represented by our main protein. It's the heart of the meal, the reason we're here. Next, we've got passion. That's the spice and the flavor. It adds to our journey, keeps us excited and motivated and ready to go. Then we have persistence. That's our veggies. They might not be the most exciting part of the meal, but they're essential for balance and health. And finally, we have patience, the heat that cooks our meal. It's about understanding that greatness takes time. It's a slow simmer, not always a microwave thing, okay? And it's not a quick boil. So over the next 5 months, we're going to cook this meal together. We'll face challenges, struggles, we'll have victories and win, and we'll learn a lot along the way. And at the end of it, we'll have a meal of greatness that's full of purpose, passion, persistence, and patience. So are you ready to join me on this journey to prepare your own meal of greatness? You can set whatever goals you want. I'll be focusing on spiritual, mental, physical, and financial aspects of my life. Just 4 key buckets. If you're interested, check out the tools and resources that I include in the description below to stay on track. They're personal accountability resources that I already know is about to play a major role in my journey, and I believe they can do the same for you if you want to test them out. So stay tuned in for updates on my progress. Until then, stay full, my friend.